Okay, and next part is that we have to take this air filter box and cover away, and there are two 10mm bolts, and here we have interesting this connector, and this is difficult job, as we can see that there has been open earlier, and let's go to look closer at that thing. And here inside here we have connector what is really difficult to open. I don't know that who is this German man who has innovated this part, but normally this opening there are two sides what we have to press. The thing is that this area is so small that normal people fingers, they don't fit in here. It is like small engineering defect that this connector is so difficult to open, but I think that this person, that German man who has engineered this part, name is maybe Ludwig, not Beethoven, but Ludwig Müller, he has only think that we need to only press this part inside in here. That no any need ever take this connector away. But now you can see that how you take that away, and don't be to become too stressful if this opening takes time. Then you compress both sides and then you carefully pull out that part. If this takes time about 43 minutes to take this stuck connector away. And you can send greetings to this BMW factory's research department that thank you for this meditation when I opened this connector 43 minutes. But in my case this happens so fast because someone has been make this hole bigger. Look, now it's like double sides. Normally it is only small couple of coins area. But this was this story, and then we take these metal clamps away, and these parts are really now. These are normally in this car that we can open these clamps. We don't need to cut these. And this is first clamp, and then second clamp is in here, and there is connector. This connector opens nicely that way, and there is second clamp in here. Okay, now when they are loosened, this is good sign. These parts are free, and next part is that I need to take these 10mm bolts away. Here is 10mm and two bolts. Bolts are free, and these bolts are easy to replace. Okay, and then here is again small this engineering issue. This part is difficult to take out because this metal and these parts, there is no enough space. Normally this is really difficult to take out, but in my case, because we have take like radiator and all stuff like in this headlight, now it is easy, but this is difficult to take out. And now I can move this air filter box and cover away. Inside in here is air filter, and it is easy to open when you open these 5 small Torx bolts in here, what are stuck. But look, there is this maker, Hummel BMW, Germany.